Assalamu Alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. In this episode, we explore the critical events that prepared the way for one of the greatest milestones in Islamic history, the Hijrah, migration, to Medina. As Makkah's opposition intensified, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began seeking support beyond the city. During the Hajj season, he met pilgrims from Yathrib, modern-day Medina. They were deeply impressed by his message and character. 6 men accepted Islam and promised to spread the message upon returning home. The following year, 12 men from Yathrib returned to secretly meet the Prophet. They pledged to believe in one God, support the Prophet, and uphold moral conduct. This became known as the first Pledge of Aqabah. The next year, 73 men and 2 women from Yathrib came to pledge their allegiance. They promised to protect the Prophet, peace be upon him, like their own families. This was a major turning point. The Prophet now had a committed group ready to offer him and Islam a safe home. Allah revealed the permission to migrate. The Prophet advised his followers to begin leaving Makkah for Yathrib quietly. The Quraysh, sensing a threat, plotted to assassinate him, but Allah protected him. With Abu Bakr, radiallahu anhu, by his side, the Prophet embarked on a secret, miraculous journey to Yathrib. This is known as the Hijrah. The migration wasn't just a relocation, it marked the birth of an Islamic society where Muslims could live, worship, and build a just community. Yathrib would soon become Madinah an-Nabi, the city of the Prophet. The pledges at Aqabah show the power of unity, faith, and sacrifice. Through patience and perseverance, Allah opened the doors for Islam to flourish in a new land. In episode 7, we'll witness the Prophet's arrival in Medina, the establishment of the first Islamic state, and the building of Masjid al-Nabawi. Subscribe to 5-Star Deen and follow this journey of faith, hope, and leadership through the Seerah of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him.